Today is the day where the RKSC has started its sit-in demonstration, wherein you have seen in the past few while that many KOKBOROK and non-KOKBOROK speaking people in Tripura has come down for this sit-in demonstration for the demand, for the only demand of KOKBOROK language in Roman script. So we can see that the people have gathered here in a very good number, and this is going to continue in the past in the coming days as well. So today is the day and the landmark of KOKBOROK language in Roman script. People are demanding this, that they all want the Roman script to be implemented as their official written language in KOKBOROK. And according to NEP to 2020, they are also asking that the para 4.11 should be implemented so that the students and the college students be able to write their language, their mother tongue, the KOKBOROK language in Roman script. So this is Milton, Bureau Report, Yakrai Naino. Thank you.
Need for KOKBOROK, die for KOKBOROK. Need for KOKBOROK, die for KOKBOROK. Jata borak sisane, mari borak muthange. Jata borak sisane, mari borak muthange. Jata borak sisane, mari borak muthange. Nini yani khulliko, KOKBOROK, KOKBOROK. Nini yani khulliko, KOKBOROK, KOKBOROK. For KOKBOROK, die for KOKBOROK. Need for KOKBOROK, die for KOKBOROK. Need for KOKBOROK, die for KOKBOROK. Chung sunyai KOKBOROK.
Tini je nor sit-in demonstration khaimani. Abo tamni bagai khaijaka tai Roman script tamni bagai Tripura saron bagai KOKBOROK seithaniwo nor asake nangjago hnoi nor tini sanlai sit-in demonstration khlaileka.
Naje mo kesam demand kotal demand ya 2000 isimi sengot demand khai phaimani je pro pavitra sarkar where the one commission was formed on this regard. In that commission report, Pavitra Sarkar was the chairman. He submitted the report that maximum 80% people, KOKBOROK speaking people, are in favor of Roman script. So Roman script is very easy to, in this time, in this computer age, Roman script very easy to text, writing, anything. That's why we are in where we have to adopt a new script. Then why should we not accept the developed script? So we are favor in Roman script. So whether the report was submitted, then the government has adopted the two script system. One is Bengali and one is Roman. Okay, we are demanding on this time. Amani poresang phayuka this sarkaram. The sarkar phayuka no tam no kam. Tabuk boro same policy na adopt khaitung. They are also following the same policy. That we hope that there are many Roman script protester and movements demand khanye boro already sarkar tongo. But still this government also following the same step. Then we have submitted lots of memorandum to the government on behalf of separate organization. That we thought that this is the time to unite all the organizations should come under one umbrella and should raise our demand under one umbrella. This is called RSKC. And there are 56 member organizations from students to writers, professors, and every organizations are involved in this organization. So we want to warn the government that they should accept, they should give importance to the sentiment of the people, majority people of KOKBOROK speaking people. Where 95% KOKBOROK speaking people are in favor of Roman script.
I think in many reports, according to many commissions that are made for KOKBOROK speaking people or KOKBOROK language, there was 99.9% people looking for or asking for Roman script. So what is your take on that?
So our question is, where 99% is in favor of Roman script, then why you are forcefully imposing the Bengali script to the KOKBOROK speaking people? Our language is our right. Which script should we accept? It's our right. We should accept our sentiment, our favor. What is Roman script? Then the government is ruling like a dictatorship. They are forcefully imposing. They are not giving importance to our sentiments of the Prasa people. Then this is the initial protest, not the ending. This is a primary process. From this protest, we want to warn the government that they should accept our demand. They should give importance to our sentiments. Otherwise, the movement will be spread out over all the state and it will be out of control. So, within the stipulated time, they should accept our demand, that is Roman script for KOKBOROK. Nothing.
Is there any ultimatum for any or any date or any month or year that you demand this to be implemented as a KOKBOROK for Roman script?
Nothing ultimatum, but I just want to say that within 1 month, we'll wait. If the government is not taking any prompt action on this issue within the 1 month, then the movement will be spread out over the state, all over the state. Then the government will be bound to think again. So our request is, within the time, the government should take any appropriate action on this Roman script issue, because they cannot play with our sentiments. The maximum our people is demanding Roman script, then why they are playing with our sentiments? This is the question. This is nothing for them, but they can maintain peace and harmony. They can break the peace and harmony. This is up to the government hand.
Thank you so much. Okay, takusong norok to tini je KOKBOROK Roman script no ti je oro sitting demonstration khaijak mani aro phaisok paga norok ni views norok bahai matong je Tripura Sarkar ba central government o KOKBOROK script no Roman script by goda goshino ni norok wansuk
omo belai kothin ni kok borok tahai sohoje go seglak tangai humale o kok ni bisingti no chungno o chini KOKBOROK development khlaina ni no ka sojak bai ke ka sorol male abo belai kothin bujinani kothin bai male ni political no bai involve thaiyoi gadal roi ni borok no ni ti prasana no bada khlairoi a KOKBOROK Roman script no salu khlainani khlairi manya asol omongka chini thansa ba chini ti prasarok Roman script hes busuk lab abono saimanya kabangmar saiman tei phano a gotini loop aboni bagai koyekjon netritto o KOKBOROK ni script Roman script no birujita khlayo aboni bagai Rajya Sarkar, Kendra Sarkar, o Roman script no चालू खलाइना निमु चुकफानो आ निनि तिब्रासानो abno bada khlai tongo abni bagai belai khe omo jotto o saiman mani chini bakha clearing yasak joto thansang yasak obo সম্ভব nugya
acha bangla script no norok seinani tamni bagai gosia tai tamni bagai norok Roman script no nango nei tini je sitting demonstration no norok dabi khlaile
Bangla script no senggo sinama ya karon no abo belai khe kothin akar hoite ni সংযোগ kobang angkai chini KOKBOROK ni kaisa uchcharon pronunciation abo kam khe phaiya banan rok belai khe kathaya abo ni bagai no bangla no khe jeng besi sa thai chajak thaiya engke Roman script engke chini pronunciation chini kok thai kahama khe abo bai chini kok thai সঠিক যেটা কক থাই আবনো সুইমানো আবনি বাগৈ ন আ Roman script bai जों KOKBOROK no जों सुइमा कांके दाक्ति न KOKBOROK डेभलपिं नाय कुचु कायमान नाय जों आसा खालायो
belaka hambai taku
हामबाय
taku kai bo community ni borok kha tai boroni teni phaika
आंखे मलसम रमनी मलसम जों फायमाने के मलसम युथ एसोसिएशन नि तरफ থেকে जों फायमाने हामबाय
belaka hambai
As you know, the Romanship KOKBOROK is a long burning issues. More than 50 years has passed. We have demanded this Romanship KOKBOROK, but till date, the government is not taking initiative. We have experience in previous government also. Like even during 1990, 92, 93, even when I was the leader of TSF, the government, Alliance government, TGS and Congress government has constituted the Basa Commission headed by Shamatran Tripura. And in this Basa Commission report also, they have recommended in favor of Roman script. But I don't know, this even Alliance government for the last 5 years, they cannot implement these issues, KOKBOROK issues, Roman script issues. It's very unfortunate. And again, we have seen during the left-from government have got opportunity for the last 25 years consecutively. Even during their regime also, they have constituted the Upajati Basa Commission, headed by the Pavitra Sarkar, as the chairman of this Basa Commission. Even they have spent a lot of money, I was told. Around 2-3 crore was spent for the last 1.5 years for the survey. And this committee also have gone through various places. They have taken the survey. They went all the school, even especially the government school, and they have found that most of the KOKBOROK speaker or indigenous people are in favor of Roman script. More than 70% above. Even I have seen the report also. More than 70% population, student are in favor of Roman script, and they have submitted a report to the government, headed the Chief Minister Manik Sarkar, and Manik Sarkar realized that it is his own committee formed by the government. It is a government body. Even government body, government organization has submitted a report in favor of Roman script. And what is the harm? What is the problem to implement this commission report? And they don't do it. It's very unfortunate. And as you know, KOKBOROK is a state language, not second language. Bengali language also state language. KOKBOROK also state language. We have same status, we have same opportunities. But why the KOKBOROK is not developed? Intentionally, they're keeping the this thing deprivation. Therefore, we realize that enough is enough. Time has come to have an aggressive movement, do or die movement. Unless we achieve KOKBOROK Roman script, and will not take rest. And I think people have realized. And even I wonder to mention, I have got opportunity to work as a government, as a cabinet minister for the last 4.5 years. And even during my time, I-50 BJP government, I was a minister of tribal welfare, and department is belong to me. So I have taken initiative to implement, to pass in cabinet meeting. And it is already, I have put off in twice in cabinet meeting. The last movement, I tried to convince, even I have convinced that all the ministers have agreed. Just you keep mum, or I'm going to put off the file, such date, please you support me. I went to our deputy CM, I want to mention the Jishnu Devarma. Even I went to the Sudhir Rai Bormon, that he also minister. So I went all the ministers. I request them, please you support me. The file is moving in cabinet on such date for KOKBOROK Roman script. And it was done. And last movement, the file in the meeting, because file moved here and there, the file went to the Chief Minister. And Chief Minister asked my cabinet colleague, sorry to mention, because truth is truth. History will tell. Last in the table, the file is with the Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb. He also going to implement. When I talked to him before also, I convinced him. Then he asked, because see, every cabinet meeting, if Chief Minister have given signature, it becomes final.
But what if KOKBOROK is developed?
Just let me complete. In every cabinet meeting, we have a discussion. All cabinet ministers have discussed with one issues, the KOKBOROK Roman script. Then everyone have given suggestion, this and that. And last, it is went to the Chief Minister file, table. And Chief Minister asked my cabinet colleague N.C. Devarma, and he asked to him, he asked in Bengali, NC Babu, NC Sahab, আপনি একটু বলুন, আপনি একটু সাজেশন দেন, তখন ককবরক রোমান স্ক্রিপ্ট আমি কী করবো, আপনি একটু মন্তব্য দাও, you give me suggestion. In the very movement, in the very period, NC Devarma said, we have to form the committee again. Please make other committee. Then I was wonder, and I told him, and why? I told him, Kaka, why is he nearby me only? He said, already three committee have constituted. We have got a committee report. Now again, you want to form the committee? It take time. What is the harm the committee report to accept? And he said, you make the committee again. See, just by the timing. Then what happened? It become TV evidence. Now the KOKBOROK manuscript file is with Chief Minister Manik Saha. You go and see in his file. It is keep evidence.
No, but what if KOKBOROK is developed in Roman script? What is the harm in that?
See, that's why I don't understand. Many people have object. See, some of the BJP leader, our Tiprasa leader only, they try to emphasize, they try to make argument that it is outside language, Romanesque is not Indian language, this and that. So some MLA, they met me and they told me also, why we don't demand Devanagari script? Then I argued then, why suddenly you come up like that, the issue? KOKBOROK must have 50 years of fighting, and suddenly you come, then now you demand Devanagari script. It is a very funny thing, I told him. And again, I want to mention, I argue with them logically. See, Roman script is neither it is outside language. Even I mentioned, even our Constitution of India, Indian Constitution was written in Roman script. Why not in the Devanagari script then? Our foundation, our main Constitution of India is written in Roman script. Then tell BJP leader, tell the Indian leader, you remove it. Our Constitution, you remove Constitution of India because it written in Roman script. What is the harm of writing Roman script in a KOKBOROK? In Mizoram we have seen, Mizoram, the Mizo people, they wrote in Roman script. Khasi people also, they wrote Roman script. They are going on. See, language is a state matter, state subject. Central does not interfere. If state government is willing, today, tomorrow, Manik Saha can do it, I'm telling you. If Chief Minister is willing to implement Roman script in KOKBOROK, today also he can do it. Within one week he can do it.
What if the government is not ready to, further talk about KOKBOROK in Roman script? What will happen to this sit-in demonstration? Are you going for further bigger demonstration later?
Of course, as I already mentioned, enough is enough. We have suffered already 50 years. I think time has come to do aggressive movement, because see, any government, whether CPM, Congress, BJP, they're playing politics in our language. And very unfortunately, I'm telling you, even our own people, we have to identify who is leader this one. Our own Tiprasa leader, he may belong any party, I don't mind, but we have to see them. What is their motivation? Some leaders, our Tiprasa leader, when they are with us, when they are in the regional party, they are shouting like anything. They are fighting for Roman script, shouting here and there, demanding Roman script. But when he joins BJP, they keep mum. So this kind of leader we have to identify. Even I'm telling you, I don't mention my name. Some of the leader, when we were TSF, when we were doing TSF, he is doing Roman script in favor of Roman script. When in BJP leader, BJP MLA, now he's BJP big leader in BJP. He also in favor of Roman script one separate time. But once he joined BJP or other party, why he forget his ideology? Why he forget his this one? So this is the very much very unfortunate in our society. So I appeal to my people to identify such kind of leader. Otherwise, I think the Roman script, which is very scientific, which is genuine script, I think we have to come together. We have to work together. Today, platform is a good platform. all like-minded organizations come up. Now even I realized, I just wonder, when I remember 2004-5, when the Sokar have report, the Basa Commission have report in favor of manuscript. Then and then, after getting a report in favor of manuscript, some of the left party group, TSU, I mentioned TSU, TYF, they have demonstrated. I have seen my own eyes. 2004-5, they demonstrated that against the Roman script. They have demanded here to introduce Bengali script in KOKBOROK. They have done city demonstration. They have done a lot of movement. TSU have done movement. TYF have done movement against Roman script. Therefore, yesterday, I think some days back, I have seen in some social media. Now, TSU, the left from wing, the student organization, also now in favor of Roman script. They are demanding Roman script. It's good. But what they've done for the last 25 years.
Now, is there any ultimatum for this implementation?
So I think to this very starting good point, I think we have just started. I think in the near future, in days to come, I think very shortly I'm telling you, I think we will have an aggressive movement. We have a strong movement just to make state government realize, to rethink about these issues. I think Tripura government also contemplating, also they're realizing so what to do, what not to do. But I think, please, I request the government of Tripura to rethink about the issue, because file, I'm telling you again and again, Roman script file already reached in the cabinet, and now file is with Chief Minister Manik Saha. If he wishes, if he desires, within 1 week, he can implement KOKBOROK Roman script. It's a very simple matter. It's a very simple matter. But if they don't realize, it's up to them. Public will take a call. Public will respond about this matter.
Thank you so much for talking to Yakrai Nainu. Thank you so much, sir.